Hey everybody, this is Tyler Dockery and I want to talk with you about the portfolio weekly schedule. I'm going to try to keep this to less than 5 minutes. So go ahead and pause this if you need to know, but there are 5 important things that we're going to work on this semester: the print portfolio, the online portfolio, your resume, your business cards, and a final presentation of your work. The first 4 will be completed at the end of week 12. Take some notes. All this stuff we've kind of gone over a little bit, but there must be a printed portfolio. There must be professional work inside. We're looking for a minimum of 8 full campaigns, and a campaign is 3 or more related pieces. Your pieces can come from anywhere. They can be projects, they can be pieces that you did for fun, or they can be work that you did for freelance or full-time work, as long as you're not going to step on anybody's toes. Any project that you've already completed, everything is on the table, so you can change those projects as you wish. So for instance, if you did the Pantone postcards, but you'd really like to make it into a calendar, that's fine. No one has to know. There can be additional campaign pieces. So for instance, if you want to do photos or illustrations, those can be in as piece 9 and 10. Please look at 6 and 7 because they're really important. Your work has to be turned in on time for the print, online, resume, and business card pieces. If your work is not done on time, you're going to run into problems. But the print portfolio is 35% of your grade, which means that if you should happen to miss it, the highest grade that you can receive if you do everything else perfectly is 55%. And if you're the kind of person who fails to have your portfolio on time, you're probably not the kind of person who's going to get a 55. Okay, online portfolio. There will be a rubric for this. So be aware. As we get closer to week 5 and 6, we'll go ahead and make that available to you. There must be a completely online digital portfolio. It is not recommended to buy a .com name and then put it over a free website like yourname.wordpress.com or Squarespace or Wix or something like that. You must be professional with a unique domain. You must have a minimum of 8 full campaigns, and 1 piece must not be in your print portfolio. This means your print portfolio and your online portfolio will each have 1 unique piece. The online portfolio represents 20% of your classroom grade and has a very strict rubric. So again, don't be late. Resume and business cards must be free of spelling and grammatical errors, so make sure you're running spell check all the time. Must be professional with a clear relation to your print and online pieces. When I see your business card and then I go to your website, I want to feel like I'm in one complete package. You must have a minimum of 8 business cards and 4 resumes with your print portfolio when you turn those in week 12. Each of these items represents 5% of your grade for this class. If you haven't done a resume before or you haven't updated it recently, I heavily suggest you go and visit career resources here on campus or call them. You've already paid for them with your student fees. All right, in the next video, we'll talk about the portfolio weekly schedule, and that's going to be kind of a tough sell.